Selamat datang di Project Audio 1. I am Erika. The first, I will tell you the story of
how I graduated from college.
So stay tuned, guys. In August 2014, I started to become a student of Bunda Mulia University in Jakarta. I have studied Chinese for 4 years, and my Chinese basically is not very well. Since I become a Chinese student every day, of course, I feel like living in hell. But in our department, we are still taught by local teachers in the first year. But after entering the second year, we are taught by Chinese teachers. The most special thing is that the Chinese accent is fast and not very clear, I think. It's totally hard to understand for basic, not good like me, right? So, can I read it? Definitely, I almost give up. So, how do I graduate? My story will start from here. When I started college, I moved to Bekasi, but I originally lived in Jakarta because Jakarta is flooded almost every year. It takes 2 hours to get from my home to university, and I have been taking the train from Bekasi to university every day for 4 years. But if it takes only half an hour to take the metro in Taiwan, it would be too long or too far. So who can imagine what I feels like?
Yeah. I was a fan of TF Boys at the time, so I learned Chinese every day by listening and singing. Am I being funny? Now I am learning Chinese by watching Running Man China.
是这么一个 L 型，文化有限，
弹性无限哦。
哦，有限，文化有限什么意思呢？budaya limited how? Okay.
我们现在是知识水平也有限。
6 o'clock. And in the first year, I had dictation almost every day and exams in every week. People who may have not experienced it cannot imagine what it feels like to me. When the midterm or final exam is about to start, I always prepare to read a month before the exam. I will memorize the textbook content until one of my teachers appreciates my perseverance. and learning attitude. And I also understand that I'm not a very smart and excellent student. So I have to study harder than others, which is the motivation for me to persist until today, even then there are still have teachers who insult me and say,
为什么你不能跟他一样聪明啊？
or one day I want to participate in a competition, but
我不让你参加，如果你输了，我们可惜会没面子啊。但是如果你有的话，你可以参加听写比赛。
So of course, I met more than one people like this. So I decided for not to participate in the competition because I think why she's have to be like that. The fourth year is coming. I had to write the thesis. I couldn't sleep well every day that year because I was frustrated to see that my classmates already had thesis topics and directions, and I didn't. So I was labeled cannot graduate student.
他不可能会毕业啦！
他不可能会毕业。
他不可能毕业的。
And then I didn't want to be labeled. There are only 3 months left to complete the thesis. Although it's very hard and headache every day. I'm so proud of myself to complete this task. Finally, I can remove that label and say in my heart, I did it. I graduate in August and January 2019 is my graduation ceremony. Erika Regina Wijaya, Sarjana Humaniora. Terima kasih. 1, 2, 3. Attending the graduation ceremony felt very unforgettable memories from a lifetime. So my short story, How to Speaking in Chinese, the ends. Thank you.